Hey everyone, it's Dave with Flipperforce. I wanted to show you some big improvements that we've been making to our material catalog, making it easier than ever for you to add your favorite products to your catalog. So now we're fully compatible with major retailers like Amazon, Home Depot, and Lowe's. So let me go ahead and show you some of the new retailers that we added to our material catalog and show you how you can add your own materials to your own material catalog to manage your database of commonly used materials for your projects. So adding a new material is pretty simple. I'm just going to navigate over here to Amazon's website, and I'm just going to grab the link from the top here. And so when you grab the link, the URL from the top, you can just add it into your catalog. And now when you add in and paste in your URL, we're going to automatically download those details. So previously, we didn't have any compatibility with Amazon. Amazon was blocking our attempts to scrape the product data from their website. We were also having some issues with Home Depot. So now we've added in compatibility with Amazon, Home Depot. We've even added sites in there for Wayfair and Build.com. And so hopefully this is going to make it way easier for you to build out your material list, build out your material catalog for your project, so that way you can pull those into your repair estimates on your house flips. So once you go into the material catalog, give it a try and see how it works for you, and hopefully it'll save you a bunch of time building out your material catalogs going forward. Thanks.